class. We really learned a lot of nursery rhymes from that. And that shows up in the most interesting places, on tests and things, and literature. That's where they show up. Great job. Every student in Ms. Sheehan's class will receive a kindergarten achievement certificate, a physical education participation award from Coach Nitz, and a Melody Maker award from Ms. White. The individual awards are for Stephen Arisa, a special Master of the Alphabet award, and Sharpening the Saw award. Arthur Baldwin, a special Always Following Directions award, and a Lake Country Leadership award. Carlin Bobo, a special Helping Other Children award, and a Lake Country Leadership award. Hermione Boudreau, a special Eager Learner award, and a Lake Country Leadership award. Sophia Contreras, a special Good Friend to All award, and a Lake Country Leadership award. Madison Dowd, a special Good Listener award, and a Lake Country Leadership award. Kaylee Silver, a special Class Bookworm award, and a Lake Country Leadership award. Sebastian Flake, a special Super Classroom Helper award, and a Lake Country Leadership award. Julian Flores, a special Eager Learner award, and a Lake Country Leadership award. Emily Hernandez, a special Book Lover award, and Sharpening the Saw award. Isak Torres, a special Math Expert award, and Sharpening the Saw award. Elliot Vasquez Palacios, a special Good Listener award, and a Lake Country Leadership award. Zachariah Ward, a special Always Doing the Right Thing award, and a Lake Country Leadership award. Did we get everybody here? No. For the out of order. That song was worth it, being out of order. We're so proud of you, boys and girls. And now we're going to clap for all the ones that got their awards a little late after their name.